Hello everyone, my name is Jaspa, you can call me Jaspa. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the correct pronunciation of some important words. So let's get started. So first one is revision. Revision. Many people say that it's revision, but it's not revision, it's revision. Revision. Next one is television. Television. Many people also say that it's television, but it's not television, it's television. Television. Next one is confusion. Confusion. Please don't say confusion. Say confusion. Confusion. Then division. Division. Don't say division. Say division. Division. Then decision. Decision. Don't say decision. It's decision. Decision. So last one is conclusion. Conclusion. Don't say conclusion. Say conclusion. Okay, that's all for today. Have you enjoyed this class? Please write on the comment section. Bye bye.